Hello students, in previous class we had discussed about terminology of football. In that, first, throwing in, offside, corner kick, free kick and indirect free kick. That 5 terms are finished. So now, next one, penalty kick. A penalty kick is awarded when a foul is committed by defender in the penalty area. The ball is placed on the penalty spot and the attacking player tries to kick it directly into the goal, and goalkeeper only defends it. The offenses are like intentional hit to the player, intentional handling the ball, and charging opponent, holding opponent from behind. Position during the execution of a penalty kick in a game of football. First one is the ball at penalty spot. Second one, the defending goalkeeper in front of goal line in own goal area. Third one is the players, all other players in center circle. So see here, when defender will do commit mistakes like purposely hit to the player, purposely handling the ball, or charging opponents, etc. Then charging opponents, then opponent will get penalty shoot. That time referee should keep the ball on the penalty spot. Referee will be keep the ball on the penalty spot and attacking player try to make the goal. He is a attacker. Okay. First referee when kept ball is in the penalty spot. The attacker try to make the goal or try to kick it directly in goal post. And goalkeeper only defends it. He is a goalkeeper. He is defending. Okay. This is got it. Now next one is drop the ball. In case of struggle for ball possession when both players commit simultaneous foul, in that case the referee stops the game for some times and afterwards drops the common ball to get the possession of the ball. Play restarts when ball touches the ground. It means both team players will do commits or foul to escape the ball. That time referee stops the game sometimes. Referee will warn them and restart the game, as he will take the ball in his hand, and when he will release the ball from his hand, player should start the game when ball touches to ground. Understood? Next one, ball out of play. Ball out of play. The ball leaves the field by entirely crossing a goal line. The ball leaves the field by entirely crossing a goal line or touch line. This includes when a goal is scored. Play is stopped by the referee. For example, when a foul has been committed, a player is seriously injured, or the ball becomes defective. So, ball out of play means when ball will go out outside the goal line or touch line. This includes when goal is happens. This also include when goal is happen. That time referee will stop the game. Referee will stop the game. For example, when players got injured or the ball becomes defective. The ball becomes defective. Okay. Next one, ball replacement procedure. Procedure may be adopted in the ball is damaged or become defective during the course of play. The match is stopped. The match is restarted by dropping the replacement at the place where the original ball become defective. Inside the goal area, in this case, referee drops the replacement ball on the goal area at the nearest point where the original ball was located when play was stopped. Ball replacement procedures. When ball will become damaged or it becomes defective during the match, immediately referee stops the match and again he will start the match. Again he will start after receiving another ball. Again he will start after receiving another ball where it was happened. From there he will start the game. Where it was happened, from there he will start the game. It is called a ball replacement procedure. Compulsory requirement of players. The compulsory equipment of player comprises the following separate items: a shirt with sleeves, shorts, socks, cap, or any material applied or worn externally must be the same color. Worn externally must be the same color as that part of the sock it is applied to or covers. In football game, there are some compulsory equipments will be there, like shirts with sleeves, socks, and socks should not be same for each teams. They should wear same color in their team only. Okay, next one, abandoned match. An abandoned match is replayed unless the competition rules provide otherwise. Before kickoff, if match is postponed or cancelled. Before kickoff, if match is postponed or cancelled, any bets struck prior to the scheduled start of this match will be deemed void. Abandoned match means before the match, if match is postponed or cancelled for any of the reason, it is called abandoned match. Okay, but abandoned match will play after some times or after solving the problems which has happened. That is called abandoned match. Okay, remaining parts we will see next period. Now I will wind up the class.